Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete your store on Shopbase. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shopbase.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Shopbase if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see on the left side of the screen, we have the home option, the orders, products, we have the fulfillment and analytics, marketing and sales, contacts, app settings, and the online store. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete your store on Shopbase. So first of all, go to your Shopbase admin panel and log in within your credentials, and then go to settings in the admin panel. So it is on the left side here, and click settings. Then under the account section, look for store status option. So basically under account, you'll have, of course, when you click on, of course, an account, you'll have that. So then you will be prompted to enter your current password to confirm the action. So of course, here you can go down and check out the store status, close your store, turn off your online store and sale channels. They'll be saved for 30 days in case you change your mind. You just need to go and click on close store, as I already told you, and then just enter the password and click confirm. Then before closing the store, make sure you contact any third-party services providers you use to prevent any errors caused by the process. If you have a custom domain, remove it from your Shopbase store before closing it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything. Bye guys.